Hello friends. As a marketer, are you looking for a powerful tool to increase your sales and expand your brand? The Social Messaging Apps for Marketers. Sell More with Apps course is a great opportunity for you. In this course, you will learn how to use social messaging apps to effectively communicate with customers and increase sales. The actual price of this course is around $30, but with our special discount, get this course for free. Special discount for a limited time, so don't miss the opportunity. To register and start learning, go to skilldiscounts.com now and start your course at a special discount. And get the course for free. Note that there are 2 days left of the discount coupon. By the way, the discount coupon is automatically applied here. Your path to success begins with skilldiscounts.com. Start today. If you want to use other free and legal Udemy courses, you can check out other sections of the skilldiscounts.com site, even go to different categories, or go to the all free online courses section and search for the course you want. If you found the video useful, you can share it with your friends, so that they can also access such tutorials. I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe to us. Have a nice day.